everyone, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to my new series, Countdown to Christmas. So from this Friday, as in tomorrow, there are 17 Fridays till Christmas. So I really need to get started on making my Christmas cards. I haven't started yet, but what I have done is sketch out 22 different designs. My goal is to do at least 25 cards, and obviously since there are only 17 Fridays until Christmas, and Christmas is on a Friday, so it doesn't count that Friday. That means I'm gonna have to do more than one in a video, or I'm going to do more than one video a week. My goal for this is to do, like I said, 25 cards, to post every Friday, and then hopefully some weeks I will have bonus posts when I have a little bit more time. So I am going to show you guys real quick some of the card sketches, and these are really, really rough. I cannot draw, so I have the names of the stamp sets that I'm using and the ideas on here. But these are just with products that are available now or were available. This doesn't include anything for the season that is coming, any of the Christmas stamps, the holiday stamps, the winter stamps, things like that. So I will be adding to these card designs because I'm going to do a mixture of old stuff and new stuff, and I even think that I'm going to use some of my wood mounted stamps because I have a huge section up on the wall of wood mounted stamps. So I want to use everything. I want to cover everything. I want to do Copic coloring, colored pencils. I want to do no coloring on a card, show you guys how quick and easy it is to do some cards, like do some quick 5-10 minute cards, do some very intricate cards, fun folds, things like that. Do ones where you just do inking, that whether it's ink blending or just inking up solid images and you don't have to do any coloring so that you can get done faster and you can mass produce. And I'm also most likely going to do some of these card designs in a couple of different color schemes or using various products, using maybe Copics with one and colored pencils in another card, just to show you guys that you don't always have to have the same supplies that I'm using for you guys to be able to copy the card or take it and kind of like what we call casing a card, which is taking some form of inspiration from this and creating your own with the supplies that you have. So you don't have to have what I have. But I did want to do a series. I tried last year and I started a little bit too late. And then with my birthday and going, we went to the Bahamas, we went to California. There was just a lot that happened at the end of the year before Christmas, and I wasn't able to fit it all in. But this year I'm starting earlier, not early, but earlier, and I am going to meet my goal this year. So I'm going to have you guys hold me accountable. If you don't see videos from me, I want you to reach out to me and say, where is the video? And if it starts to look like I'm not going to get all 25 of those videos up or the 25 cards up, you're going to have to let me know. So keep track of me. But I just wanted to do an intro video for this series to show you guys, kind of give you an idea of what we are going to do in this series. And I think I'm going to put a supply list together. So if you guys want the supply list to see if there's anything on there that you have and you want to follow along with me, or if there is something that you have that is similar to what I'm using. So if I'm using a Santa stamp, you may not have that exact one, but you may have one that's very similar. So if you want a supply list, I will put in the description below some of the supplies that I plan on using, and then I'll just continue to update this video. And if you want me to email you a copy of the supply list or anything like that, just let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching the intro video to this, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create from the inspiration from this series. I'll see you guys again real soon for the first video.